Dear Kenyans, on this festive season, my family and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy year 2026. The year 2025 has been eventful for our nation. There were many blessings to our families and many challenges as well. Despite the challenges, God has been gracious to our nation.
As Christmas marks the end of one year and points to the beginning of another, we would want your Christmas and expectations and all that you need, God will provide for you. It is a cheerful time for you and your family. As Luke chapter 2 verse 6-14 says, and it records that God Emmanuel, Jesus, was born in a challenging and a humble circumstances, reminding that the location is not a barrier to God's presence. Despite the challenges that you have gone through this year, let me tell you, God is going to make your life better, and all the resolutions that you have for this year, may God be the center of them, and may this Christmas bring you joy to your family as you go out there, share with your neighbors, with the communities, and travel safe.
During the festive season, I call on you all to be peaceful and celebrate with your families, neighbors, and friends. We know times are hard. Please do not let your neighbor go without food. To those traveling up country, take care and be safe. Rejoice always, because unto us a child is born, the Savior of the world. Merry Christmas and a happy New Year 2026.